Let's review Sleep Mask Night Repairing Serum by RCO Blue. If you're new to my channel and if you're not, welcome back. I'm Mike. I'm a hairdresser, a L'Oreal color specialist, a makeup fan and a skincare lover. In today's film, we are reviewing a very luxurious and very expensive night serum repairing hair mask by RCO Blue. So if you want to find out if this sleeping hair repair serum mask is actually worth every single penny, then you better keep on watching. What is the story, everyone? In today's film, we are doing RCO Blue and we are reviewing the Night Serum Repair Sleeping Mask. And when I seen this mask, I was like, oh my god, we need to try this out. So you guys, let me present you with Sleep Mask Repair Serum by RCO Blue. Now you guys, first things first, the packaging is beautiful. I mean, I do love RCO, and in this product we do get 56.7 grams, and this night mask retails for a whopping €145. Guys, this is the most expensive hair product I have ever reviewed on this channel, and I am dying to see if it's gonna live up to its expectations. So this luxurious mask basically repairs parched and damaged hair. So I mean, this review is in no better time because I'm after bleaching my hair, and I mean, my hair needs as much love and caring as I can give it. So I mean, if this mask is going to repair that parched damaged hair, then I am living for it. So this formula is going to give you an intense repair and hydration overnight. So you apply this mask before you go to bed. So you get ready for your bed, you wash your hair, you get out of the shower, you apply that mask, you go to bed, wake up in the morning and style as usual. So you do not rinse this mask at all. So this is going to help to maintain and hydrate that parched, damaged hair. So hair like my hair is that sensitized and hair that is porous. It's going to med and seal that damaged cuticle, as well as going to control any frizz. It's going to deliver incredible shine, and it's going to ease styling the following day. So let's open this up and let's have a look at the mask that costs whopper €145. So I mean, you guys, this is like the holy grail. I mean, €145. So here we go. I'm opening this up, and first things first, we're getting this little thing in the box, which I believe is like a little spatula for the mask. So let's open this up. So we're getting a little spoon, and now let's open the actual mask. Oh, the lid came out first. So this is your night serum mask, sleeping mask for €145, and I can't stress it enough. Now when it comes to RCO Blue, I'm loving the packaging. I mean, the packaging is absolutely everything. It is recyclable. The lids are made from sugarcane, but what else can I tell you about this mask? Obviously, we do have the blue molecule complex for strength and shine. We have green caviar that's going to deliver hydration for parched hair. It also has protective and revitalizing benefits for our hair. There's also ceramides in this mask that will help to repair hair that has been bleached, so hair like mine. And also ceramides will help to repair the hair that's been exposed to excessive styling. So this hair mask is very much for someone's hair that is really parched, really damaged, hair that just needs that extra loving and hydration, so hair like mine, and especially those ends. And like that, my hair is still in a good condition, but I need to mind it, and my hair routine has changed, so this could be a lifesaver. And like that, I love the whole repair range from RCO. It's absolutely beautiful. The condition and the mask are stunning. So I mean, this has to live up to my expectations. So what RCO is claiming is that we're going to get up to 84% frizz reduction, up to 86% increase in overnight repair, and up to 64% in recovery of our split ends while we sleeping. So it's one of those masks that you literally wash your hair, apply it to damp ends, and you leave it in and go to bed. So let's open this up and check out the mask for the whole €145. So I'm gonna open this up, and oh, so it's quite thick and it's quite rich. So we're getting that consistency. Let's smell it first. And it has a beautiful scent. It is very earthy, like, that's the best way I would describe it. it is very scenty like. So I'm just going to pop a tiny bit of that. I mean, it's €145. I'm not going to waste it. So I'm not actually sure how much I'm supposed to put on my hair, but I'm just going to test out the formula on my hand first. Okay, and it feels nice and jelly and creamy like in consistency. So I mean, when I have that spoon, I wonder if the whole spoon is meant to do the whole head. So you guys, it is quite late at night and I'm getting ready for bed, so that's why I could be a bit tired looking or whatever, but what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna hop into the shower, I'm gonna get myself ready to bed, I'm gonna wash my hair, I'm gonna give a good scrub because my hair does need a wash. We're gonna come back on camera, I'm gonna apply this, and then we're gonna come back in the morning and we're gonna see how it reacted with my hair. So you guys, don't go anywhere. Right you guys, and I am bed ready. As you can see, no eyebrows, and this is me. And that green tan top is everything. But so what I done is I just done 2 shampoos on my scalp and washed my hair. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply the mask. Now my hair does not feel too bad for hair that is bleached. I mean, those ends do need a bit of love and caring, but I do need a haircut at the same time. So let's apply the mask for the whole €145. And it's about $165 US. So I'm going to open that up. And I'm just going to take a spoonful of that. Okay, that should be more than enough. And I'm going to work that through my hands. And starting at the bottom of my hair. Oh, that feels absolutely lovely. Now, by the rules of RCO, I could have easily used a conditioner and then applied the mask. But I felt like just to give it a really true review, I am going to use this mask and just leave it overnight. I'm going to actually put more of it on because I feel like that wasn't enough. And I'm just really going to work that into my hair and into my ends. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to leave that overnight. I'm going to brush my hair. Like, how does my hair feel when the mask is on? It feels really soft. It feels really smooth. It definitely feels like there's a mask on it as such. So what you do is you leave that mask overnight and you let it sink into the hair basically, and then you style as normal in the morning. So let me just brush that through with a paddle brush, and my hair does feel absolutely lovely. So I'm not going to touch it. I'm literally going to go to bed. Well, I'm not going to go to bed straight away. Like, what time is it now? Let's just grab my watch, and it is 9:45 in the evening. So I mean, I may not come back first thing in the morning because I do need a bit of sleep, and yeah, but I'll come back at some stage of the day and let you know what I feel. Now, what you could do also is you could apply your conditioner and then the serum over it. But I mean, if we're testing out a mask for €145, we're going to see how the €145 mask actually works. Now, it definitely feels different to the classic hair mask that I've used by RCO. The classic hair mask is a lot softer, makes the hair softer a lot quicker, when this one is, I mean, I'd say it's going to take a while for it to absorb into the hair, but we're going to find out if this mask is worth €145 or $165 US in the morning. So you guys, see you in the morning. Good morning everyone. So just a quick time check. It is after 11 a.m. in the morning, and I did sleep in with the Repair Sleep-In Serum Mask by RCO Blue. So what can I tell you about my sleeping experience with this mask? Right, you guys, when I first put it on, I was a bit skeptical because I was like, oh, it does not feel as magical as I expected to. But now, I did break the rules and I did not put in conditioner in my hair, and I just applied this straight onto my hair because I was like, if this costs €145, I want to see the results. Do you know that kind of way? But what I noticed with this is the hair got better as the time went on, which was very interesting. So it wasn't like an instant punch into my hair that you put it in and it's like boom, the hair feels great. As the night went on and my hair started drying and the product started silking in, I noticed that the hair started getting softer and better. Overall, my hair feels amazing. It does not feel weighed down. It definitely tackled the porosity of my hair. My hair does not feel as porous. Now, I look a bit rough this morning. I mean, I've nothing on and I'm in a a luminous green tank top, so I mean, I do look a bit rough. But my hair overall does feel really nice, really soft, and I definitely think I would get better effects if I follow up the whole regime, use the shampoo, the conditioner, and then put in the sleep-in mask. So I mean, when it comes to my ends do feel amazing, they do feel great, and they do feel great for me not putting a conditioner in it and just putting in a serum mask like. So what RCO says is that the next morning you can literally put more product in and continue as styling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Optical Illusion Serum, Smoothing Serum, and I'm just going to apply that onto my ends, and that serum is absolutely beautiful. This is gorgeous. The shine you get and the smoothness and the softness is amazing. I'm just going to apply that onto my ends, and this is my hair not blow dried or anything, so I just need something just so I can just brush up my hair and just dry it. So I'm going to quickly go off camera and I'm just going to smooth out my hair as I would normally every morning. Right, you guys, so my hair is brushed up. So what can I tell you? My final opinions about the RCO Blue Sleeping in Intense Night Repair Serum. Now, what I would say is, did I use too much product? Yes, I did. I did not trust the formula, because when I applied it on, I was like, no, it's not doing much. But if I applied less, I definitely think I would get the same results. You don't need as much. You literally need a spoonful. And now, you guys, for someone that tried it out without conditioning the hair, so breaking the rules, this mask done amazing results. So I mean, it did ease manageability. So when I blow dried my hair did feel amazing, and it does feel great. I mean, the front of my hair just feels unbelievable. Is this something I will use again? Yes, I will, because RCO Blue is one of those brands that I'm kind of obsessed at the moment, especially their hair care, like the shampoo and the conditioner and the mask, and the sleeping in serum is amazing. So when it comes to the sleeping mask night repair serum by RCO Blue that retails for €145, it is not a heap of dirt. Now, you guys, if you have €145 to spend on a mask, do it. If you don't do it. Is there similar products on the market like it? Yes, they are. Did I find this effective and did it work on my parched, frizzy, bleached hair? Yes, it did. I will definitely say that this is one of those products that it will work better over time. So it's something you have to keep using and keep repairing your hair. Overall, I am impressed with the formula. I am impressed with the product. Is it worth €145? I do think the price is quite steep. That's my personal opinion, and I've never used a product for €145 in my hair. Next time I will use it, I will definitely condition my hair and apply it on. Now, what I was really impressed by it, that when I woke up the next morning, my hair was not frizzy. It was not all over the place as it normally would. When I wake up, my hair is like, it's like this. It just looks mental. This really soothed my hair, smoothed the hair, made it really soft and silky. So overall, this is an absolute hit. Anyways, guys, thank you for watching this film. I hope you found this film rather interesting, helpful, and useful. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Also, check out my other social media. And of course, you guys, please do what? Do take care. Slán.